Today we are going to evaluate numerical expressions with parentheses and brackets. Before we do this problem together, let's go over our order of operations. Our first step is parentheses. Okay, in this case, we are also doing brackets as well. So brackets falls under the same category as parentheses. Okay, so brackets, parentheses or brackets is the first step. Second step is exponents, which you will learn that next year in 6th grade. Our next step is multiply or divide, whatever comes first when you read the problem from left to right. And our last step is add or subtract, whatever comes first when you read the problem left to right. Okay, so let's start with, we have 9 plus in the brackets 10 times in parentheses 9 times 3 divided by 9, close parentheses, close my bracket. So our first step is brackets, okay, but we have a set of parentheses in my bracket. Okay, so my first step is to do whatever is in the parentheses that is inside the brackets first. Now, do I multiply first or do I divide first? Because in my set of parentheses, I have 9 times 7 divided by 9. Okay, well, if we go to our order of operations, multiply or divide whatever comes first from left to right. So 9 times 7 comes first when we read the problem left to right. So 9 times 7 is my first step. 9 times 7 is 63. Then I bring down the rest of my problem. 9 plus, open parentheses, 10 times, and we did 9 times 7, which is 63. Bring down your parenthesis sign. Make sure you bring that down. Divided by 9, close parentheses, and close your bracket sign. Okay, now my next step. I'm still doing whatever is inside the brackets, okay, but I have to get rid of the parentheses first. So I have 63 divided by 9. That is my next step. 63 divided by 9 is 7. Bring down the 9 plus, open your bracket, 10 times, and we did 63 divided by 9. So you can get rid of your parenthesis signs, but bring your bracket sign down. So I still have my brackets. I have 10 times 7. Okay, so that is my next step because we're still on parentheses and brackets. 10 times 7 is 70. Okay, bring down your 9 plus, okay, and my last step is to add. 9 plus 70 is 79, and 79 is my answer. Let's do another example. Remember to write your PEMDAS on the side. Okay, so my first step is to do whatever is inside my brackets. Okay, and I have a parentheses inside my bracket, so I'm going to do my parentheses first. 10 times 6 is 60. Okay, bring the rest of your problem down. 6 divided by 2 plus, open bracket, 10 plus, and we did 10 times 6, which is 60. Close your bracket sign. Okay, underline the next step, which is inside our brackets. 10 plus 60 is my next step, which is 70. Bring down the rest of your problem. 6 divided by 2 plus 70. The next step, is it division or addition? But when you go back to your PEMDAS, we already got rid of the parentheses and brackets. Okay, we do not do exponents this year. We have multiplication or division is next. Okay, so here's division. So division is my next step. 6 divided by 2 is 3 plus 70. So we're done with multiplication and division, and my last step is addition or subtraction. So 70 or 3 plus 70 is 73 is my answer.